Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing 10 jamun fruits and pricking each once to help release juice. Halve them and remove pits. Combine jamun halves with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon water in a small saucepan. Simmer gently for about 6 minutes until soft and syrupy. Transfer the cooked fruit to a blender and pulse briefly, then press the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to separate seeds and skins, yielding roughly 120 ml of smooth, jamun puree for cocktails. To build the mojito, place 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves in a chilled tall glass. Muddle them gently with 15 ml freshly squeezed lime juice and 1 teaspoon sugar to release aroma without shredding the leaves. Add 40 ml of the prepared jamun puree and 60 ml white rum for an alcoholic mojito or 0 ml rum for a virgin version. Gently stir to combine. Fill the glass with crushed ice and top with 120 ml chilled soda water. Then taste and adjust sweetness if needed. Finish the drink by garnishing with a lime wedge, a fresh mint sprig, and 3 jamun halves on a small skewer for visual appeal and extra flavor. Serve immediately in a 300 ml glass over crushed ice with a straw. Encourage a quick stir before sipping so the jamun puree, lime, and soda balance evenly. Any leftover jamun puree can be refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 4 days, and you can scale quantities by cups or milliliters for batch prep.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.